In these videos, you will learn English by looking at real-life pictures. We describe what's happening in each image, using simple words and clear sentences. This helps you build useful vocabulary and understand natural English. You will also learn how to talk about everyday situations with confidence. Along the way, we include basic grammar tips and common sentence patterns. Everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so it's easy to follow and repeat. This way, you can practice speaking, listening, and thinking in English, step by step. After listening to the text, we would like to hear from you. How would you describe this picture in your own words? Share your ideas in the comments and practice writing in English. Let's get started.
This picture shows a young woman watering flowers in a garden. She is smiling and looks very happy. She is wearing a white summer dress and a straw hat. The sun is shining on her face, and her long hair falls over her shoulders. She is holding a large green watering can with both hands. Water is pouring out gently onto the plants. In front of her, we see tall purple flowers. They are growing closely together and look fresh and healthy. There are also some pink flowers and green bushes around them. Behind the woman, we can see more green plants and trees. A wooden fence is visible in the background. There are also stones on the ground near the edge of the flower bed. The weather is sunny, and the light makes the colors look bright. Everything looks green, colorful, and alive. The woman seems relaxed and peaceful. She enjoys this quiet moment in the garden. She might be spending the afternoon taking care of her plants. Maybe this is her own garden at home. She looks focused, but also calm and joyful. Gardening can be a great way to relax and enjoy nature. It helps people to feel calm and reduce stress. It also brings happiness when you see flowers grow. This picture shows how a small action like watering flowers can bring peace. It reminds us to slow down and enjoy the simple things in life. The connection between people and nature is important. This woman is not just working, she is caring for something. That makes this picture feel warm and meaningful. It shows beauty, care, and peaceful energy all in one moment. Watching this makes us want to go outside and enjoy the fresh air too.